Here's my go-to recipe for chocolate chip cookies made with leftover sourdough discard. First, melt the butter over the stove. Then, weigh out and mix the dry ingredients together. Stir in the sourdough discard, then stream in the cooled brown butter. When it is cooled, mix in the chocolate chips. I like to place mine in the fridge after to set for a crispier cookie. Try this recipe and let us know how it goes. Enjoy!